Gente, ¿ves cómo está cayendo granizo?
Hermosillo, Sonora, Mexico, America, January 9, 2025. A strong hailstorm was recorded south of Hermosillo this Wednesday afternoon as a result of the passage of the second winter storm of the season through Sonora. Through social networks, users shared images of the meteorological phenomenon that colored the streets of several sectors of the Sonoran capital in white. One of the most prominent points was in the Las Diligencias neighborhood east of the city, near the Ford plant, where a light drizzle was also recorded.
Haciendo bastante frío, pero está cayendo bastante. Granizo, miren, está tapizado el techo.
After 5 p.m. the temperature began to drop to 14 degrees Celsius and is expected to reach around 4 degrees Celsius in the first hours of Thursday. It should be remembered that this Wednesday morning the first snowfall of the year was recorded in the entity, in towns in the northern and mountainous areas such as Cananea, Yucora and Nicori Chico, in the latter including the town of Mesa Tres Rio.
Mira. Bien.
No digo yo para allá, para donde viven,
Bien fuerte está. Ya está bien tapizado, miren.
Meanwhile, the State Civil Protection Coordination (CEPC) has issued recommendations to the public to avoid being affected by the winter storm, such as dressing well and not exposing themselves to low temperatures. Through Facebook and Twitter, people from Hermosillo shared other scenarios of hail this Wednesday. In the capital of Sonora, hail occurred mainly in the southern sector, causing surprise and discomfort among residents.
La bestia nevó aquí.
Nieve. Creo que ya no vamos a ir a Canadá.
¡Qué chulada! Parece que está nevando aquí en Hermosillo.
Nea la nevada. Creo que la nevada vino a nosotros.
Está nevando, mi compa. Sí, güey. Agua fresca.
Ay, están bien recios esas cosas.
Meanwhile, the most abundant rainfall was recorded in the southern area of the city with 13 millimeters of rain, according to the meteorologist of the National Water Commission Conagua, Gilberto Legarda Vasquez, through his social networks. This event is part of a broader weather pattern affecting the region, characterized by severe winter conditions that have led authorities to issue various advisories to the public, coupled with the suspension of classes by the SEC and recommendations from Civil Protection.
Quería ir hasta Nogales a ver nevar. Aquí en
Pues desde aquí, no sé si en otra parte de la ciudad esté cayendo granizo, pero Y sí, está cayendo bastante granizo y están bien fuertes los pedacitos de hielo. Miren, ya se hizo una
flor.
The combination of hail and rain has not only further cooled the environment, but has also raised concerns about its possible impact on infrastructure and urban mobility. Local authorities urge residents to take extra precautions and stay informed about weather conditions in the coming days.
bueno, la lluvia, creo que está lloviendo bien fuerte. Nunca ha caído